Hello my viewers around the globe, welcome to my channel. This is Simali guys. For today's video, I'm going to show you how you can convert BTC into BNB. So just stick with me until the very end. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any video from Simali Group. So with that said, let's dive into the video. When you're on Binance, you come straight on trade. Then you click on Binance Convert. So once you have this one, this is where you're going to convert the coins that you have. First of all, you have to see where do you have your money and where do you want it to be. Where the money is, it should be from. And where you want to put it is where you put to. So suppose we want our money from BNB to BTC. So we are going to say that here we have already BNB. Then you're going to change this coin into BTC. So once you have the BTC, you will first select the amount of money that you want, of course, to convert from BNB to BTC. So once you have the amount that can be converted from BNB to BTC, once you click here, automatically the money will be there. Alternatively, maybe the money is in BTC. You will come here on BNB, then you click here BTC. So once it is on BTC, then you come here on to where you want your money to be. Then you put the coin, they say BNB. So you will select in case you have the amount. For me right now, I have a sufficient amount. Once you have sufficient amount that you want to convert from BTC to BNB, automatically you click here, you put the amount that you want to convert. So once you've put the amount, automatically it will come here and you click here, automatically it will go on preview conversation. You convert from there. That's all for today. Bye. Good luck.